Hello, and a warm welcome to this special tutorial. Today marks a beautiful occasion as we delve into crafting an exquisite bridal makeup look. Starting with the skin, the foundation of any great makeup routine. Begin by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. Follow this up with a hydrating moisturizer and a touch of sunscreen, essential even on your big day. A swipe of lip balm ensures your lips remain smooth and ready for those memorable kisses. Moving on, prime your face to create the perfect canvas. Select a primer that suits your skin type. For oily skin, a mattifying primer does wonders, while dry skin benefits immensely from a hydrating variant. Now, apply your foundation. Choose a shade that blends seamlessly with your skin tone. Use a brush or sponge to apply, aiming for light to medium coverage, and build it up as needed for a flawless finish. Brighten under your eyes and other areas with a concealer to hide any imperfections. To bring dimension to your face, warm up your complexion with a bronzer. Focus on your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline, blending thoroughly. Choose a blush in soft pink or peach for a natural rosy glow. Eye makeup is next. Start with an eyeshadow primer to prevent creasing. Opt for a neutral palette, applying a light base shade across the eyelid. Define your crease with a darker shade, blending outward for depth. Brighten with a shimmery shade on the center of the lid and inner corners. For definition, line your upper lash line with a kohl pencil or gel liner. Enhance the drama with false lashes if you feel adventurous, and don't forget a coat of volumizing mascara on both upper and lower lashes. Brows are crucial. They frame your face. Fill in any gaps with a brow pencil or powder, shaping them to perfection. Highlight your features with a suitable highlighter on your cheekbones, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. Set everything with a setting spray to ensure your makeup remains impeccable throughout the day. For your lips, start with a liner that matches your lipstick. Apply your chosen bridal lipstick, opting for a long-lasting formula to keep your smile perfect through every photo and moment. As a final flourish, dust a little blush across your cheekbones and apply setting powder to your T-zone to control shine. And there you have it, a stunning bridal makeup look, tailored for a day as special as your wedding. Remember, makeup is deeply personal, so feel free to adjust this guide to better suit your unique style and preferences. Congratulations on your forthcoming celebration, and thank you for allowing me to be a part of your journey.